And now you stepping with the big dogs. Turn them up, George. You stepping with the big dog. Listen to me. Everybody else had their turn. Now you coming for what's yours. Now you coming for what's yours. Listen to me. They doubted you. They played with you. They ain't think you could be who you was. They ain't think you could be who you are. But you pressure. You being pressure. And pressure's your middle name. And they got to feel everything you bring, even if it's pain. It's big dog. Turn them up, George. Woo! They gonna feel this. Turn them up. Yeah, that's real.
Niggas like us coming where we come from, we can't afford to fuck up. We can't afford to slip up, make no mistakes, you heard? Because they watching and they want us to. You know what I'm saying? We got all odds against us. You know what I'm saying? And fake niggas